Hello everyone, myself Mansi Bhatia and today I'm going to represent about histogram versus bar graph. So let's start. So first of all, what are graphs used for? It used for visual representation of a data, helping in identifying trends, patterns and distribution of a data. Common types are histogram and bar graph. Now first of all, what is histogram? Used to show frequency distribution of continuous data, and data is grouped into intervals, that is in the form of bins, as you can see in this graph. Bar touches is other to show the continuity. For example, here the graph is given in which the how many trees of the same height will be there. This data will be in a group form, so the interval, the gap between two bins would not be there. That shows the continuity of a graph. Okay, now the bar graph, it is used to represent categorical data. Each bar represents a distinct category. Bars are separated to show no continuity. As you can see in this picture, that number of students are having same score would be plotted on the graph, and here the continuity would be not shown. Okay, the gap between two bars will be there. Now difference between histogram and bar graph, major difference would be there are data type in histogram would be continuous and in bar graph categorical. Bar touches in histogram and not touch in bar graph. X-axis interval would be there in the histogram and categorized in bar graph. And purpose to show frequency distribution in histogram and complete different category would be seen in bar graph. Now here the example would be given, that is for one graph is for first one is for bar graph and second one is in histogram in which the continuity will be shown, and in bar graph no continuity will be shown. So when to use which graph? Use histogram for ages, ranges, temperature, range, test score, etc. Use bar graph for favorite fruits, type of page, survey result, etc. So key to take in mind, for histogram continuous data would be there and bars should be connected. In bar graph categorical data would be taken and separated bars would be plotted, and choosing the right graph depends on your data type. Thank you. This is all about the histogram versus bar graph.